I have some amazing and exciting news to share today. I just received 2 highly anticipated packages by Scholastic, my publisher. They're fairly heavy, so I can have a good guess of what it is. My author copies are finally here for No Fuzzball. Are you ready to open it with me? I can't wait. It's been a year waiting for these, which is a very standard time to get all the printing and marketing done after approving all the artwork and stuff. And also I have Pushin over here to accompany me. It was a lovely, lovely gift and friend sent by my awesome editor, Kate. Woo, I'm excited. Oh my God. Look at it, it's beautiful. It's so glossy and it smells so good. Check it out. Oh wow, and look, they put gloss spots all over the ribbons all the way to the back. And a fuzzball over here too. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, the smell of newly printed books. They're intoxicating. Oh, it's beautiful. The colors look amazing. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to really go through all of this. And look, it's me. When I'm more dolled up, of course. Look, Fuzzball. Oh, this is my kitten, named after Queen Fuzzball, of course. She's only about 5 months old. Named after you. You're named after the Queen. Are you excited? Thank you so much for my team at Orchard Books, Scholastic, for making this dream come true. Ori is here too, my other kitten. Look, it's a bug. And thank you so much for everything, and thank you to my amazing editor, Kay, my awesome art director, Steve, and my wonderful agent, Jen. I couldn't have done this without all of you. Thank you, thank you. This book comes out August 4th. I can't wait for everybody who pre-ordered to get it, and hopefully it will bring you a lot of joy. I can't wait for you to meet my queen. No Fuzzball. Thank you, bye.